What up, everybody? It's chassis time for the Pro-Built Chassis Raffle. Want to kind of go over what we're putting on, what we're doing to the chassis, what we've done already. Let's get into it. All right, here we go. So here are some of the products we're putting on it today. The chassis inspection plate, the brake line brackets, the seat belt reinforcement anchors, and the UB plate. About it now, show you. Already put pan halves in it. We already cut out the inspection plate hole. We've taken off the e-brake bracket. We have converted it to IRS already, and replaced the outer shock towers with IRS versions. So here, if I can get it in there, let's see if we can do this. Oh no, it's right here. Yeah, see that tube right there? Kind of got to weld it. Let's see if I can do this. Yeah, gotta do that. Yep, go ahead, Chris. Already did the pan head tilt. If you can see this, cut an inch out of it and tilted up 4 degrees. So that's already done. We welded the gas line up, as well as the lines to the for the hard line to go in, and the little tabs to go along the pan halves there. And we had to put a little indentation right here for the master cylinder, the dual circuit master cylinder, to fit. So that's what we got going on today. We get our main honcho John that doesn't want to be on film today, doing some edits here. That's it for today. So we got a couple things just kind of set up here. Got the inspection plate, the beam bolts kind of mocked up. The brackets for the brake lines. We got the inspection plate installed. We used button heads in the assembly of this instead of the tech screws. And then we kind of measured where we're going to put the seat belt bracket tie downs. So we'll get more into that tomorrow. But it's coming together. More later.